Well, it says for t greater than 0, there's a point on the curve where the line tangent has slope 2. Okay, so when t equals 0, the dy dx is equal to 2. Okay? So we know that. We're given that. At what time is the object at that point? So you should already have your y1 is your dx dt, and you should have your y2 equals your dy dt. That's what you should have in your calculator already. So what we know is we're going to set our y3, we don't know this, but we're going to set our y3 equal to the dy dt over dx dt. Okay, because that's what dy dx is. And we're going to set that equal to 2, but let's do this first. Let's set our y3 equal to the y2 over the y1. Okay, and then we're going to let our y4 equal the value 2. And so all we have to do is figure out where y3 crosses y4. Okay, it'll look something like this. And you get the graph. I don't actually know what the y3 is going to look like, but I do know that the there's y equals 2. That's the y4. Okay, and then I don't know, the graph looks something. Oh, I know what I remember. So the graph looks something like that, and that's your y3. Okay, and if that's your y3, all you have to do is find the intersection point right there, and whatever the x value is there, and it turns out that the x value is let me zoom in here, 1.358. Now you should store that in some value, okay? So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to store that value. And what it says is, it already tells us that there will be a point on the curve where the line tangent has slope 2. And at what time is the object at that point? Well, we already solved that part, and you'd already get 2 points for that, and then find the acceleration vector at that point. Well, all you have to do is do this. The acceleration vector at time A, okay, is equal to the x double prime at A, okay, comma the y double prime at A. So, oops, that was lame. So all you have to do is find that, and to find this guy right there, all you have to do is use your calculator and go math 8, and then you'll have this. You either have one of two things. Math 8, you'll either have this, something like that, and you'd put your y1 in there, and you'd put an x in. I don't remember what the notation is going to look like, but it's like x equals something. Okay, I think it looks like that. Or you'd have your y1, comma x, comma a, if you have a calculator like mine, and that value right there will give you your x coordinate, or I should say the x component of the vector, 0.135. Okay, and then I kind of ran out of room here. Let's go over here, and you do the same thing. You repeat that. Actually, you can go second entry, and then change your y2 or y1 to a y2, and hit enter. And when you do that, you're going to get the y component of the vector will be 0.955. And the x component of the vector, which is the acceleration vector, the x component of the acceleration vector would be 0.135. So there you have it. And I hope that made sense. Let me know if it didn't. Let me know if you have any other questions.